Да се обучава, придобивал знания и умения за боравене с огнестрелно оръжие, включително и с автомат Калашников, като за целта посещавал стрелковите клубове и боравил с предоставеното му оръжие с цел извършване на престъпления по алинея 1 на член 108а от НК, за да бъдат използвани придобитите от него знания и умения за извършване на престъпления по член 115 и по член 128 от НК с цел да създаде смут и страх в населението. Поради което и на основание член 108а алинея 4 във връзка с алинея 1, във връзка с член 54 от НК, осъжда на 4 години лишаване от свобода. Постановява така наложено наказание да бъде изтърпяно при първоначален общ режим, затвор или затворническо общежитие от откритие. Добре, госпожа журналиста, ще помоля 2 минути да направим само правителствено.
Well, it was a show trial. The prosecutor has basically gone on a circular argument that I was in Syria in 2013, even by her own admission with the Free Syrian Army. And then she said that I was in possession of some religious books and I went shooting a few times. My counter-argument to that was that the Free Syrian Army has never been designated as a terrorist group. Shooting here is perfectly legal. I only went 5 times. And on top of that, this country claims to be a democracy. So what's wrong if I'm in possession of a few religious books?
When you look back now, do you feel that you've made mistakes? There are things that you would do differently now, given where you've ended up in all of this?
Yeah, and my one advice to people in Australia would be don't go to Bulgaria because you could end up being arrested, subjected to a show trial and imprisoned for nothing. I would say that it was the wrong choice, but if my head was in the wrong place, I believe my heart and my desire to help the Syrian people against the oppression of the Assad government was not a wrong decision. However, looking back at it, I would say that it was wrong to go there. It was a mistake to go there, but my heart was in the right place.
And do you have any advice for other young people that might find themselves in a similar situation to you?
Well, if you're facing a show trial, I think better, instead of avoiding this whole ridiculous process, just plead guilty and take whatever sentence they give you. Because really, from what I've seen in the Bulgarian court, no matter what defense you bring up, no matter what arguments you bring up, it seems that the judgment has already been predetermined, and I certainly think that's the case with me.
In days to decide whether to apply or not. Probably will apply. And having maximum 8 years in the law, the court gave him 4 years in prison, which is in the middle. So I'll discuss with him. We have 15 days to decide whether to appeal against this sentence or not.